In this video, you'll learn how to use your toolbar to add text, images, shapes, video, and audio into your learning journal. It allows for a multimedia experience. So in the learning journal, you will see your toolbar up here. Let's start with text. I'm going to click on one of these pages and click text box. Here is your text box, and over here to the side, you will see another tool drawer. Clicking here on text will allow you to format that the way you would like to see it. You can, of course, change the appearance of your text any way you would like to, along with the color and the spacing and the size. In the style pane, you can choose to do a fill on the inside of your box if you would like to. You could add a border, and you can even add a shadow. In arrange, you have an option to shift around the alignment, the front and back, and also the angle if you would like to turn it. So now let's hop on over to shapes. It's a great way to add some knowledge, some things that you've learned without having to type. Pick a shape out of that. And again, we've got style box where you can adjust the color, border, shadow, and in arrange, you can adjust the angle. There are lots of shapes available. Just scroll through and find something that you like. You can even combine shapes. And then moving on over to media. This is where the magic happens. In the media toolbar, you can add any kind of photos. You can add something that you've got saved on your MacBook. You could add anything from your library, live photos, and any albums. Resize those. And you can adjust those in style just like you would with your text boxes and shapes. You can also add movies that you've got on your device, YouTube videos, music, and my personal favorite, record audio. This is a great way to put some learning into your learning journal without having to type if you don't have time. Click the red button. This allows you to record your audio. Click stop, insert, and there it is. The red button. This allows you to delete that. Just click delete and away it goes. So that is how to insert text, shapes, and media into your learning journal.